Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Ray Rossett and I'm an account manager at ThinkReservations. I've been with ThinkReservations now for a little over 2 years. And before that, my wife and I owned and operated an inn in Hot Springs, Arkansas for over 14 years. Today I would like to talk to you about our Booking Pace Report. A Booking Pace Report typically provides a snapshot of future bookings comparing this year to last year. It is one of the most popular and powerful reports in the hospitality industry, especially when it comes to revenue management. So let's get right to it. Once you are in your account, select Reports from the black menu bar near the top of your screen. The Booking Pace Report is in the Reservations group of reports, about halfway down the list. Click on Booking Pace to open the report. One of the first things you will notice is the number of date parameters made available to you in our version of the report. The top 3 parameters will normally be the more current dates that you want to compare to a previous period, which is defined by the bottom 3 parameters. The leftmost date on each line specifies the booked as of date that you want to measure. The next 2 dates define the date range you are evaluating. When you open the report, you will see that the default dates are today's date this year and last year for the booked as of parameter, and the date range defaults to the current month this year and last year. All of these dates can be changed to make the comparison you want. At the top of the results is the total property, with each of the room results below. There are 3 lines of results, the top line corresponding to the top set of date parameters, and the second line corresponding to the bottom line of date parameters. The third line is the calculated percent change from the second line to the first line. The results are presented for number of nights booked, average occupancy percent, average rate, the subtotal of room charges, the subtotal of item charges, the subtotal of all charges before tax, and total charges. And for each of these, the percent change is calculated. Here are some additional factors you may want to consider when looking at results. Firstly, what is the effect of room mix on your revenue? In looking at the total rate change, is it driven by guests favoring lower or higher priced rooms compared to last year? You can see this when examining the individual room results. Also, is your lead time for this year trending differently than last year? And does that explain part or all of the change in booking pace? And what is your budget or expectation for the month? And is it consistent with the differences reported? And there are others that you may need to consider for your particular property. Before I wrap it up, here is a simplified example. Let's say there is a popular event in your area and guests begin booking 6 to 7 months out. You want to look now at how your property is booking up for the event. The event runs from December 4th through December 6th this year, but last year it was hosted in November from the 15th to 17th, 3 weeks earlier. You have complete flexibility to change any of these parameters. By changing the booked as of date for 2019 to 3 weeks earlier, you can keep the lead time consistent and maintain your comparability. Well, that is about all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found it helpful. As always, if you have any questions about this report or any of our other reports, please do not hesitate to reach out to support, and we will be happy to assist you. Have a great day, and bye for now.